यूनिटी कॉलेज से वाबस्ता हमारी शान है। ये वो मकतब है कि जो सर चश्माए फैजान है। इल्म है अशफाक बिस्मिल का रबाबे जिंदगी। इल्म है सुल्तान टीपू का शबाबे जिंदगी। इल्म है झांसी की रानी का हिजाबे जिंदगी। इल्म है हजरत महल का इनकलाबे जिंदगी। इल्म ने रोशन किया बापू की मंजिल का चरा। इल्म है नेहरू की आलमगीर महफिल का चरा। यूनिटी कॉलेज से वाबस्ता हमारी शान है। ये वो मकतब है कि जो सर चश्माए फैजान है। यूनिटी कॉलेज के बच्चों का तराना इल्म है। मुश्तरक कदरों का ज़र्रे आस्ताना इल्म है। जहल पर दानिशमरी का ताज़ियाना इल्म है। हो नहीं सकता जो खाली वो खजाना इल्म है। इल्म की दौलत को यूं तक़सीम होना चाहिए। लाज़मी इस मुल्क में तालीम होना चाहिए। यूनिटी कॉलेज से वाबस्ता हमारी शान है। ये वो मकतब है कि जो सर चश्माए फैजान है। ये वो मकतब है कि जो सर चश्माए फैजान है। ये वो मकतब है कि जो सर चश्माए फैजान है।
उमंग और उत्साह से भरे वार्षिक खेल दिवस में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है।
As we gather here for this grand celebration, let us take a moment to remember what truly binds us all: peace, love, and humanity.
This special segment is a humble reminder that beyond languages, borders, and beliefs, we all belong to one world and one human family. अब हमारे विद्यार्थी श्रद्धा, प्रेम और एकता के साथ प्रस्तुत करेंगे कुरान, भगवद गीता, बाइबिल और गुरु ग्रंथ साहब के पवित्र श्लोक।
सुब्हानल्लज़ी अस्रा बिअब्दिही लैलन मिनल मस्जिदिल हराम इलल मस्जिदिल अक़सा मिनल मस्जिदिल हराम इलल मस्जिदिल अक़सा الذي باركنا حوله لنريه من آياتنا إنه هو السميع البصير وآتينا موسى الكتاب وجعلناه هدى لبني إسرائيل In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Glory be to Him who took His servant Muhammad during night from the sacred mosque in Mecca to the farthest mosque in Jerusalem, showcasing His sign. He gave Musa the book, the Torah, and made it a guidance to the children of Israel, stating them to worship only one God and to not take any guidance besides Him. Thank you.
नार्जितं धनं तृतीये नार्जितं पुण्यं चतुर्थे किं करिष्यति. It means, what can you do in the fourth part of your life when you have not gained knowledge in the first, money in the second, and merit in the third? Dhanyavad. Praise to the Lord. According to Holy Bible by Saint Matthew, you are the light of the world. A city that is set on a hill cannot be hidden, nor do they light a lamp and put it under a basket, but on a lampstand, and it gives light to all who are in the house. Thank you.
एक ओंकार सतनाम कर्ता पुरुष निर्भव निर्वैर आकार मूरत अजनी सबम गुरु प्रसाद। इसका अर्थ है कि ईश्वर एक है, वो हर जगह व्याप्त है, वही परम पिता है। इसलिए हम लोगों को प्यार से मिलजुल कर रहना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
I belong to all the countries of Europe. May peace prevail in all the countries of Europe. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. Thank you.
नॉर्थ अमेरिका से गूंजती है शांति और आपसी सद्भाव की पुकार।
I am a world citizen. I belong to all the countries of North America. May peace prevail in all the countries of North America. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. Thank you.
From South America rises a beautiful hope for a world bound by compassion and unity.
I am a world citizen. I belong to all countries of South America. May peace prevail in all countries of South America. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. Thank you.
Oceania offers its prayer for togetherness and everlasting peace on earth.
I am a world citizen. I belong to Oceania. May peace prevail in Oceania. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. Thank you.
अंटार्कटिका की शांत धरती से उठती है कामना, धरती पर अमन और सौहार्द बना रहे।
I am a world citizen. I belong to Antarctica. May peace prevail in Antarctica. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. Thank you.
From Africa comes a strong call for unity and brotherhood among all nations.
I am a world citizen. I belong to all the countries of Africa. May peace prevail in all the countries of Africa. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. Thank you.
And from Asia comes a sincere appeal for peace and harmony across the world.
I am a world citizen. I belong to all the countries of Asia. May peace prevail in all the countries of Asia. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. Thank you.
और इसी साथ भाईचारे की भावना का प्रतीक बनकर एक सफेद कबूतर हमारे सामने ऊंचा उड़ने वाला है।
I am a world citizen. I belong to all the countries of the world. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. Thank you.
एक सफेद
College, and on behalf of the management, Honorable Secretary Sir, Joint Secretary Sir, staff members, dear students and guests, I would like to welcome our chief guest of the day, Honorable Mr. Justice Syed Qamar Hassan Rizvi, Judge, Allahabad High Court. His Lordship was born in an eminent family in the year 1967 at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. His Lordship father, late Syed Khurshid Hassan Rizvi, was a senior lawyer who was not only an eminent lawyer but a noted social worker and a freedom fighter. His Lordship practiced for about 30 years as an advocate in Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court and also appeared before various tribunals. His life Lordship represented the Union of India as Additional Central Government Standing Council, State of Uttar Pradesh as Additional Chief Standing Council, Ministry of Railways, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, several state universities, local bodies, Nagar Palika Parishads and various educational institutions. He appeared for the state Waqf boards in the High Court. He joined the chamber of his father, late Syed Khurshid Hassan Rizvi, and worked with him for a short span of time. His devotion and sincerity toward his work excelled him in the legal fraternity that led to his elevation from the bar of the bench. His Lordship came to be as a judge of the High Court of Judicature of Allahabad on 7th day of February 2023, and since then his Lordship has been performing his responsibility as judge with great excellence. His Lordship has so far delivered hundreds of AFR judgments, including some remarkable pronouncements, and has decided approximately 10,000 cases in a short span of time. It would not be out of place to mention here that his Lordship had been associated with Tayyidul Musliman Trust TMT and had been a member of the Committee of Management of the Unity College for 3 consecutive years. We welcome you. I welcome you on behalf of the Unity College, sir. On this auspicious day, I welcome everybody, all the parents who have gathered here to witness the performance of their students and the beautiful performance. And I thank our founder who has, with his excellence, founded this college, our dear founder, Padam Shri Kalbe Sadiq Sahab Ji, whose hard work is blossoming year by year in the field of education, sports and co-curricular activities, and also service towards humanity and nation. And in the end, I wish all my dear staff members and students luck for today's event. Let's do it and do it with excellence. Thank you.
Ready to be painted with colors of joy and celebration.
I declare the Sports Meet 2025 open.
Now I humbly request sir to kindly release the balloons and formally inaugurate the event.
देखिए ये आसमान में उड़ते हुए गुब्बारे हमारी आशाओं, सपनों और खेल भावना का प्रतीक हैं। जितनी ऊंचाई ये छुएंगे उतनी ही ऊंचाइयां हमारे खिलाड़ी हासिल करेंगे।
What a wonderful sight! Those balloons truly carry our hopes and the spirit of fair play.
में आमंत्रित करते हैं जो गर्व से इस पवित्र ज्योति को लेकर आगे बढ़ेंगे।
Kabir Abbas Zaidi, head girl Tuba Ahmed, and vice head girl Anaya Siddiqui.
Right behind them are our sports captain boys, Alida Kamal and Ahmed, and sports captain girl Aditi Kamal and Imran, along with the new curricular captain Imran, setting a perfect example of teamwork.
उनके लिए हमारे एविडेंस कलर होंगे आशीर्वाद, जोश और एकता के साथ।
Next in line we have our NCC girls contingent led by their captain Alia Hassan and with a placard held high by Rabab Fatima, showcasing a fine display of precision, discipline and patriotism. Led by And now enters the Sir Sayyid House, led by Fatima Ahmed and Ale Imran, representing knowledge, unity and progress. Holding the placard is Sara Iqbal.
The blue color of their flag stands for wisdom and calm determination. Just like their steady and composed step, the Sayyid House के साथ शांति और प्रगति के प्रतीक है। उसका मार्ग दिल जीत लेने वाला है।
Marching ahead, we have our college band led by Mohammad Imran and Zaman Abbas, setting the rhythm for the grand spectacle unfolding today.
Their beats inspire every marcher, a symphony of precision and passion.
फैंसी धूम ने पूरे मैदान में जोश भर दिया है। यूनिटी कॉलेज बैंड वाकई कमाल कर रहा है।
Next, we have the Tagore House, led by Duai Zehra and Ali Nadeem, with their graceful rhythm and confident stride, embodying art, excellence and self-expression. Holding the house placard is Fatma Husni.
Their green flag symbolizes growth, creativity and harmony, and their march perfectly reflects that balance.
वो मौसम चाली लेक साथ और आखिरी शाम सब कुछ एक साथ नजर आता है। सच में प्रेरणादायक।
As we continue to approach the ceremony days, our honorable chief guest, kindly take
by Daniel Imam and Maryam Rizvi. The placard is led by Lubaba Naqvi. Their steps are full of vision and vitality.
The color yellow shines bright, a symbol of energy, optimism and brilliance, perfectly matching their spirited march.
A moment of pride and honor. The marchers salute the leader who inspires excellence and commitment.
राम भक्त के छात्रों की चालें आत्मविश्वास में और एकता की झलक है। टीम वर्क की मिसाल वाकई काबिल तारीफ है।
Let's hear it for our marchers. Roll up a trumpet.
to all of you. Especially, I would like to name the most Honorable Mr. Najmul Hasan Najmi, the Secretary of this esteemed institution, Mr. Dr. Muhammad Talha, the Joint Secretary, the Reverend Principal of this institution, Mr. Deepak Matthews, the most respected Mr. Bharti, the Vice Principal, and especially Dr. Kalbi Sittan Sahab, who is an strength behind this institution. I pay my regards to all the dignitaries present here, and especially the parents who have spared time to come here to join us in this prestigious Sports Day celebration, the annual Sports Day. First of all, I thank you for inviting me on this special occasion. I may make it clear that I will not take much time because it's too hot to bear this weather, but even then, as a formality and out of my own emotions, I cannot stop myself for saying few words. Just walking into this ground filled me with energy, because I may tell you that I had been associated with this institution from a very long time. This institution is very close to my heart, and I have had the privilege of being associated with the managing committee for few years, way back, subject to correction, in the year 2001, in between 2001 and 2010. And that was a memorable time. Those memories, those memorable years were full of learning, challenges, and shared purposes. It gives me great happiness to see how this college has grown and prospered over the years. Not only in infrastructure and academics, but in spirit and discipline. The values of dedication, respect, perseverance, that a great personality for all times, Padam Bhushan, Dr. Kalbi Sahab, a person with full of values of dedication, respect and perseverance, who was not only a great visionary, but a man full of qualities. And basically it was his vision that brought this institution to such an height. I pay my deepest regards, highest regards to his departed soul. अल्लाह उनकी मग़फ़िरत फरमाए और बुलंद तरीन आला मकाम उन्हें इनायत फरमाए। He was such a personality कि जिनको की cannot be explained in few words. I may say that he was not a person in himself, but not a simple person. He was an encyclopedia in himself. I had the privilege of being associated with him for few years. I experienced his qualities and I am honored that he showered his blessings in such a way that brought me to this height. I must pay regard, we all must pay regard to him. You know, this can be seen that this institution has reached such an height is nothing but his vision. He was a great visionary, and the being and the sole object of his life, what I felt was the education and education. Anyway, I feel that I should not take much time, and I must say that standing here today, I feel a deep sense of pride in seeing what Unity College has become. A beacon of learning, discipline and integrity. It stands tall not only because of its building and achievements, but because of its values and vision it continues to uphold. Now, I would like to say a few words to my lovely students. My dear students, it is your day. The sports day basically reminds us of our own school days. There is something truly special about the sports day. It brings everyone together beyond classrooms and textbooks to celebrate efforts, teamwork and spirit. Sports Day teaches us lessons that no book can. On the field, we learn what it really means to push our limits, to respect others, and a very significant teaching to accept defeat with grace and to win with humility. All these lessons, believe me, stay with you for life, whether you chooses to become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, teacher, or even a judge. It is these values that make all the difference. I often say that life itself is a bit like a race. Not everyone starts from the same line. Not everyone runs at the same speed. But what truly matters is that you keep running honestly and consistently without giving up. That's the real victory. My dear students, I want to say that participate wholeheartedly today. Don't worry about who wins or loses. Just enjoy the moment. Give your best and support your friends. You will remember these moments far more than any medal. Now, to the teachers and the organizers, it's a big congratulations to you for putting this event together so beautifully. It takes planning, patience, passion to make something like this possible, and if you don't, and if you have done it, it's a really wonderful job. Before I end, I'll share one simple thought. Sports builds not just strong bodies, but strong minds and stronger characters. So keep playing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. It would not be proper to leave the dais without saying few words to the most respected parents. To all the respected parents who are present here, believe me, it is only your support and encouragement that is invaluable. Every confident child stand on this field today carries the silent strength of your belief behind them. And to all the students, remember that life too is a long race. It is your confidence that will ultimately result. As I said at the very outset, that I feel the warmness of the weather, and I should not keep you sitting, hearing the sermons and sweating all together. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be with you all and to say something on the dais. Thank you very much.